Salesforce is an all-in-one solution for managing customer relationships, and if you're running an e-commerce business, it can truly revolutionize how you interact with customers and drive growth. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Salesforce for e-commerce, and I promise you'll want to hear all the details as it can drastically improve your workflow and sales process. Now, before we dive in, you can actually use Salesforce completely for free from the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses to get you started. Trust me, you'll want to grab that offer, so don't miss out. First things first, Salesforce gives you powerful CRM tools to manage and track your customer interactions. In e-commerce, knowing your customer's behavior is critical. Salesforce allows you to see purchase history, browsing patterns, and even when they're likely to make a purchase again. This kind of data makes it easier to target your customers with the right messages at the right time. Next thing, let's talk about how Salesforce integrates with your e-commerce platforms. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, Salesforce can sync with all of them, helping you streamline your orders, customer data, and inventory all in one place. This seamless integration can save you time and reduce human error in your processes. The third thing is automating your sales processes. With Salesforce, you can set up automated workflows for order processing, follow-up emails, and even cart abandonment reminders. This kind of automation can significantly boost your revenue by making sure you don't miss out on sales opportunities. Next, Salesforce helps with segmentation and personalization. You can easily segment your customer base into categories, such as high-value clients, frequent buyers, or new leads. From there, you can send targeted offers, personalized discounts, or loyalty rewards tailored to their specific needs and behaviors. This kind of customization is key to keeping your customers happy and engaged. The fifth thing is utilizing Salesforce's analytics and reporting tools. With all the data collected, Salesforce can provide detailed reports that help you understand trends, sales performance, and customer satisfaction levels. This insight lets you make informed decisions about inventory, pricing, and marketing strategies, ensuring that you're always ahead of the curve. And lastly, don't forget Salesforce's customer support and service tools. Having a solid support system in place is essential in e-commerce. Salesforce can help you manage customer inquiries, complaints, and support tickets, ensuring that your customers get fast and effective resolutions. So, if you're wondering how to use Salesforce for e-commerce, I've covered the most important features. It integrates with your platforms, automates your workflow, personalizes your customer interactions, and provides powerful reporting and support tools. This software can completely transform how you run your e-commerce business. Before you go, don't forget that you can access Salesforce for free through the first link in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of the extended free trial and exclusive bonuses we're offering. Thanks for watching.